Okay, my friends, today I'll going to discuss about. Okay, just a minute. Okay. Okay, my dear friends. Today's section I'm going to discuss about Wipeout, and as well as we are going to discuss about donuts table and how to link the data from Excel. So these things I'm going to discuss on today's section. So please understand, friend, what is the meaning of the wipeout? The wipeout is nothing sense is a mask. So it means we are applying the mask to your plan. So in this sense, for example, let's take an example. See, friend, I'm going to the made one rectangle over here, but here we can see this shape and this much of selection shape I don't want to be see. I wants to be see on the other thing what we are seeing it, but I don't want to be see that selection amount. So then how we can do it? In the previous sections are already I discussed with you isometric. We have isolate. So what is the sense of isolate means we are selecting one object, all the other objects what we have it, that all those other objects are going to be hidden when you are using that isolate. But here I'm not do that way. So I wants to be hide something portion now. If I wants to be hide something portion, then how I can do that? So I can do it by using of the what friends is a wipeout. So I'll show you that how we do that. Wipe out, enter. Now specify the first point. Yeah, I'll specify it. I'll specify the first point like this, and then specify the second point. I'm clicking this way and enter. Now what happens, you can see, friends, this is wipe. It means it masks to the background object. But here we can observe, now we are not able to see that what we have behind of this mask. But if in case if I don't want to be see these lines also, we can hide these lines also. How? Wipeout frame command. Wipeout frame. So we can go by that. Wipeout frame, it's already on. So I go by off, that is 0, enter. Now what happens, you can see now the wipeout is off. Now understand clearly, friends, if I want to be select this wipeout and I can delete it, now what happens means that object we can see read back. So that is the exact meaning of it here. And see, friend, when I'm selecting this my wipeout, it's selecting, so means it's already it's going to the select. Sometimes the wipeout is not going to the select when the wipeout frame is off condition. So that's why we need to be go by wipeout frame and we need to on it, and after we can try to select it. Sometimes it not happen, sometimes it happen. Okay, in this case now, so it happened, but some case it's not happened. So don't worry. So we can reback means we need to use retime that wipeout frame command. So and we can use it. So we can select it and we can delete it. This is what the wipeout command for you. And the next command is donuts. See, friend, the donuts means is nothing but this is circular shape. So like say, let's say now donuts, N-U-T, donuts. Okay, donut is nothing sense is asking that inside diameter, and it's given the inside diameter that is 0.5 diameter, and the outside diameter is asking that 1. So no problem, I can as it is as given by 1. Now I can specify it. So then what happens means the donuts is came here. But here, so what is this necessity of you are using these donuts? See, friend, when you are selecting the donuts, we are control these donuts by using of this 4 grips. So I'm using this grip by using of this grip now. So I can drag like this. It means so we can make this type of shapes like this. See, we can observe, and we can see that we are selecting it, and we can down like this also. So we can easily make your shapes like this. So for suppose if you wants to make any sink now, the sink shape we can easily do by using of the donuts. So that is the exact meaning of the donuts. Okay, clear about this? Yes. Now let us see here, and next thing is table. What is the meaning of the table, friend? Already we know that. So table means we are adding the table into the AutoCAD. So that table, I can see that we can call it as table. And yeah, so now it's asking you how many columns you wants to be add, how many rows you wants to be add. For suppose if I give 5 columns and the 5 rows, then it means what? When the first row is take it as title, and the second row is take it as headers, and third row is take it as data. Okay, first row is take it as title, second row is take it as header. If in case if I wants to be changed that, we can easily change it, no problem at all. So and if you wants to be change the column width or row height also, we can easily change it over here. Okay, now I don't want to be change anything over here, just I click on OK. Now I click on OK. Now I place the cursor, means what, friend? I need to be specify the instruction point. When I'm specify instruction point, then automatically the table will be placed over there. Click it here, then automatically the cursor will be there. So we can easily we do that data what we wants to be. Or otherwise, if you have any data onto the Excel, or if you have any data like that, so we can easily link that data into the AutoCAD. Then how we do that? That's very simple. So the next thing is I'm explaining it how we are going to link the data from Excel. That's very simple. So how we can do it? So we can say now, let's say now, so we are going for what, friends, is yeah, so this table. So I just before going that, I need to have some Excel data. So I have the Excel data is here, so I can link that Excel data. So we can say now we have something data like this. This data I go into the link onto my AutoCAD now. So okay, I have attendance, so this attendance sheet is going to be adding to my AutoCAD. Okay, so just a minute, it's opening. Yeah, see, this is thing is there, but I wants to be adding this to my Excel. So then how we do that, we can see now. So this will be having on the numeral ID, so I can go by close this. So I go into the AutoCAD here, and see, friend, we have the command that is called a table. Use it table command, and after that we can see now, so we have from data link. So use it from data link here, and use it, and I click on this particular button, launch the data link manager dialog box. Click it, and after that we can see Excel links here, and create new Excel link, and we can write the name, that is for example 143. Click OK. Now I'm creating that 143 link here for which file, so I can go by the browse file here, click on this button. So when I click on this button, it's open it some other one here. So my file is having on the desktop. I go into the desktop here, and in this desktop I have afternoon DTP batch. Click on open. Yeah, it's showing it, it's taken that something time, friend, but automatically they show it to you. So you see, the specific Excel file is not valid supports. Why? Because only Excel 2000, 2003 and Excel 2007 file formats are supported. We need save the Excel file in this formats. Okay, no problem. I can minimize it, and we do that. Okay, so I just doing it. Okay, so I just open it, that Excel EXCEL. Okay, and then click here. So now I'll open this file, afternoon batch. Now I can save this file as 2003 format, friend. File, save as. I can save it as this way. Okay, so now where you wants to be saved, we can save it. So it's, of course, I wants to be saved on the desktop. Click on OK. Save this. Now file is saved, right? Yeah, it's going to be saving, so I can close this. Now you can use it the path. So the same desktop, but I wants to be used is this file. Open. So they have something problem, friend, but what happened means automatically this file is going to be attached here, and click on OK there. Then automatically what happens, friends, that data is going to the link onto the your AutoCAD. So once we change that file over there, so automatically they show it the some comment over here, then we can reload it, automatically it will be changes. That will be happened by automatically, friends. When we click it now, so automatically it will be happen. Okay, that's all for the today class now, and next section we are discussing next topics to you. Okay, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.